So people say that Korean skincare restores your skin's glow. So let's see. Hey guys, 오랜만이에요. 잘 지내고 계시죠? So I neglected my skin for a while. You know how life gets busy and my skin dried out, broke out more, leaving me with some dark spots. And now I'm trying to get my supple skin back. But first, let's get back to restoring moisture to my skin. Starting out first on a freshly washed face, I'm letting my skin to air dry, and next I'm going in with this Licorice vitamin C balancing toner, and I'm using a cotton ball to cleanse my face, and afterwards I will take some more to spread over my skin. And of course I always do the tap method because that's just how I like it. Now I'm using dark spot brightening serum, so let's see if we can get the spots faded. And I'm using this all over my face and not taking any chances because I have severe discoloration and hyperpigmentation. I massage into my skin for about a minute or so, and then I go ahead with the tap method. To add some moisture to my skin, I'm using this Snail Mucin, and to be honest, this feels like skin therapy for me because it allows me to give my face the massage it needs. Like, you could literally see the hydration and glow beginning to set in. I'm gonna put all the product details in the description. I actually skipped a step, which is using a sheet mask, and if you're looking to hydrate and moisturize your skin, you should totally include a sheet mask into your routine. And lastly, to lock in moisture, I'm using this Luminous Snail Moisture Cream. It has a thick viscosity and I've got a combination skin, so I'm just gonna use a fair amount on my skin. Again, I'm massaging my face. Let's get this product worked into the skin and also to encourage blood flow. So this is my skin now, and I'm gonna continue this routine until my skin is revived and my glow restored. Let me know if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will do my best to respond. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!